Hey team, so this is a short video on what is Trello and how we can use it. So first thing you need to do is put like Trello.com, and probably you will need to create an account. This is the view I get because I already have an account, but once you have yours, you're gonna be able to see the STS Sociology chair workspace that I created. So Trello is a very visual way of putting our tasks and knowing like where a task is, in which part of its progress line, and who is in charge of it. So it's very interesting because we can see this in real time, right? So here, for example, this is our workspace and we have like different lists. This model, I got it from like software engineers iteration. So first we have the backlog where we're gonna have like all the tasks that we wanna do at some point, even if they are not urgent, and we can add cards. For example, do reading, right? So we wanna do it, but it's not urgent, let's say. Instead, in the to-do, we need to like put the tasks that are, I don't know, more urgent right now. So let's say do read to, and we add card. We can like always add cards in any of the list, and then we can edit them. We can like, if we put here, we can see like we can add more details. We can put a member in charge. Yeah, and then like, for example, if I, Erna, get the do reading to, then when I'm doing it, I can put it that is in progress. Then when I have shown you, I can put it that is in review until, you know, you do all the corrections you need. And when it's over, I can put it in done, right? So this is like the complete sequence of a task from it, like being said by one of you and then being done by one of us as well, right? And also the interesting part is that all of this is integrated with Slack, so we can get notification in Slack of when we are like grabbing one of the tasks, and like when we're doing it, you can see it in Slack. You receive it as a notification, and everything can be like customized as we prefer. I hope that was kind of clear.